So after watching this video, my friend, you will be able to create a landing page which look like this on mobile and which look like this on desktop. So it's very simple. You can really create a landing page for free on mobile, and I'm going to show you how you can do that on your mobile. And the landing page here, guys, I have created this using my mobile. So you can create a free landing page to promote CPA marketing offer, affiliate marketing offer, and other offers. And it's very simple, guys, so keep watching. So to create a landing page for free on mobile, guys, we're gonna be using Google site. So to create a landing page on mobile, guys, you have to visit Google site on your Chrome browser, and you have to also make your browser to desktop site. As you can see, this is the website, Google site. You have to click on here, and also you have to sign in to Google site using your email ID. So after sign in, guys, you will come to this page. So here I'm gonna be creating a landing page on my mobile. As you can see, this is my mobile. I'm creating this on my mobile device. It's very simple. So to create a landing page, guys, you have to just click on here, blank page. Now, guys, this is the Google site. I will show you step-by-step process to create a landing page. First up, you have to delete this whole background. So to delete it, you have to just click on here and click on here, delete. So we deleted it and we made it full blank. Now, guys, here for example, I am promoting a CPA offer, so I have to create a landing page for that. So the offer I am promoting, guys, let me show you here. So the offer that I am promoting, guys, here is this: get a PS5 free. So to promote this offer, guys, you have to click on the offer, and as you have to promote this, guys, you have to copy this link. So first up, you have to copy this link, guys. You have to just click on copy. Now we're gonna be creating a landing page for this, and also, guys, we can get suggestion how we can create our landing page. So we have to click on preview to get a suggestion. So we have to create a landing page like this: PlayStation 5 upon release, get a PlayStation 5 upon release. You can get suggestion like this. So let's go back here. Also we get a suggestion, your chance to get a PS5 for free. So we have to add these type of text in our landing page. So I have already copied this link. Now let's go back to Google site and let's create a landing page. Right now I am in the Google site, guys. So to create a landing page, guys, you can choose this text box. Also you can choose image. So first off, we have to add a image. As we have to add a image, guys, we can add text also with the image. So we have to click on here. We have to add the image of PS5 here, and we have to add the text. To add an image, guys, I have to just click on here, and I have to click on upload. And this is the image that I have downloaded from Google. And also you can download the image of your offer, whatever you are promoting. I'm gonna maximize its size as well. Just I have to click on here and I have to scroll down or scroll right. So I maximized size of this picture. Now I have to add text here. So to add text, guys, you have to just click on to edit text, and then you have to click on this pen icon, and then you have to add your text. So to add text, guys, you have to just click on here. For some reason, guys, this keyboard doesn't support on Google site properly. So I'm gonna be using Google handwriting. So to do that, you have to click on here and you have to choose English handwriting. Also, guys, this will be title, so we have to make it bold. So to do that, guys, you have to just click on B, and also you have to click on here, and then you have to click on here. Now, guys, we have to add the title of this offer. So here the title of this offer is get a free PS5 upon its release. So I'm gonna be writing that. And also, guys, I forgot to choose themes. So you have to choose your themes, guys. Here just click on themes, and these are the themes, guys, you can choose, but here I'm choosing this impression. Now, guys, let's add the title here. So as I already said, guys, I'm gonna be using handwriting. So here I'm going to be writing, guys. Also I'm going to be select this. So here I'm going to be writing get PS5 free upon release. So I'm gonna be writing get PS5. Also I'm going to be using bracket. Okay, as you can see, I have added the text. Now, guys, I have to add a button here. So to add a button, guys, just click on insert. Also, if you want to add more image, you can just click on here and you can add more image. And also, guys, you can write more things here just by clicking text box. But as I have to make this landing page so simple, so I have to click on button. Now, guys, you have to give a name of the button. So here I'm gonna be writing register here for free. So after adding your name guys, you have to add your offer link here. So as I have already copied the link of the offer, I have to just paste on here. And then you have to click on insert. And guys, you have to also maximize each site. So to maximize it guys, you have to just hold on here and you have to scroll right like this. Now guys, as you can see, I have added the button perfectly. Now also if you want to add more button, you can just click on here and you can add more button. And also if you want to add more text, you can just click on text box and you can add more text. So let me add a text box. So here I'm gonna be writing, you have a chance to win a PS5 upon its release. For more information, complete the above registration. So after adding text guys, you can make this bold and you can make this look more better. But for now, let's leave it. Now guys, we added the image, we added the title, we added the link. Also, we added some other information. So as you can see, I have created a simple landing page. Now guys, to publish it, you have to just click on publish. And here you can change your keyboard guys. And here you can add your web address. So here I'm typing a web address for this. Get PS5 free. So after adding your web address, you have to just click on publish and you have to wait for some second. Now guys, to get the link of this landing page, you have to click on here and then you have to click on publishing setting. And this is the link of your landing page guys. You have to copy it. And also if you want to add more image, more text to this, you can just click on here and you can review, change and publish it again. So now let's check out how our landing page is actually looking like. So as you can see guys, this landing page looking very simple and also it gonna be convert guys. So it looks like this on mobile and also it looks like this on desktop. So this is how you can create a landing page for free on mobile to promote your CPA or affiliate offer. And also guys, I will show you how you can create a free website on your mobile as well. So if this video is helpful to you guys, then make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.